Lil Cam, suspected murderer of Migos rapper Takeoff, taken into custody in Houston. Lil Cam is a 16-year-old member of Migos Records. Excuse me. This is exactly why I said this before. Black people, we're all done. Because you got too many black folks want to kill each other each and single day. Rest in peace to Takeoff. This is exactly why I said this before. When black folks get successful, they leave. I don't want to do nothing with the black community because the black community just hate guys like me for addressing black on black crime. It's just what it is. They're gonna call you a coon and a sellout and an Uncle Tom. Like, oh my God. Can't make this stuff up. I show them the evidence and they still get mad at the videos. Like, this is ridiculous. So with that being said, what's your thoughts on this? Because black folks hate other black people more than the white man and other race of people. So with that, I'm out. Peace.